guys, how's it going? Laura with Garden Answer. I'm so excited for today's video because I think this is going to be the biggest succulent unboxing I have ever done. And this is going to be a little bit different than our normal ones because all of the succulents that I have are hardy. So I think they're zone 3 or 4 to 8, and we will put correct information on the screen as I'm pulling them out. And I actually don't know exactly what varieties I have in these boxes, so it's equally as exciting for me as I hope it is for you seeing them come out of the boxes. So you might think that this is a very large box and that this is a lot of succulents, but I actually have 3 more boxes just like this one. So this is intense. And I got connected with a company called Chick Charms that has beautiful sempervivums, and it's for a specific project that I have in mind that I've been wanting to do. If you've been following us, you might know what it is, but I'm not going to tell you in this video because it's going to be a surprise for those of you who don't know. But I needed a lot of hardy succulents for it. So we got connected with this company. They sent out all the stuff that I need for the project. They aren't sponsoring this video, but they did send me all the plants to do the project. So thank you so much, Chick Charms, for sending these out. I want to get into these boxes. All right, first flat. You guys. Look at how beautiful, and these are in little cells, so they're easy to tuck into things. I don't want to give too much information away. This one is called Cranberry Cocktail, Cotton Candy, and Chocolate Kiss. I'm going to set this one aside and keep going. They are beautiful. Aren't these packaged nicely? I mean, I can't believe how beautiful they are all looking. We've got Mint Marvel, Plum Parfait, and Sugar Shimmer. I love the names of these. Looks like we got some 4-inchers. Oh my goodness. So we've got more Mint Marvels. These are in a larger container, obviously. And then we've got, these are called the Cranberry Cocktail. So did I have those? Yes, just in a smaller. So these are much larger. Look at that plant. Look at the coloring. I don't think I've seen anything quite like that. Beautiful. All right. Ooh, so this one's called Apple Teeny, and then we've got some larger Chocolate Kiss. All right, that was box number 1. Let me grab another one. Ah. Okay, some more cotton candies. These are called Cosmic Candy and Cinnamon Starburst. These are so beautiful, and you guys, so let me show you. In these smaller cell flats, this is what the root ball is like. So they're really easy to fit in small spaces and do smaller projects with them. And that's just something I need. I kind of needed a mix of small and large for what I was kind of thinking of doing, and this is just absolutely perfect. Oh. Silver Suede, Bing Cherry, and Apple Teeny. Now the Silver Suede is absolutely gorgeous. Has kind of hairy leaves and does have a very silvery look to it. Berry Blues and Key Lime Kiss. I really like this Key Lime Kiss. The leaves are much daintier and much thinner. I just think it's a really neat structure. I'm gonna run out of room on my table. Sedums instead of sempervivums. So we've got Sedum Firecracker, Sedum Wildfire, and Sedum Plum Dazzled. Those are perfect because they're so nice to be able to fill in little spots where you can't get anything bigger. I really like that. Oh, pretty. Bing Cherry, Sugar Shimmer, Apple Teeny. One more box, you guys. Looks like more of some of the same varieties. Look at the color on these. Wow. Wow. This is called Cherry Berry. That color is amazing. Oh, man down. Man down. All right, so we've got Berry Blues and Chocolate Kiss in this flat. One more flat. And here's one more flat of 4-inchers, and these are just assorted. This is an insane amount of succulents. Isn't it just absolutely gorgeous? I mean, I cannot wait to do the project that we have lined up. And you guys might know sempervivums as hennin chicks. I'm just so used to ordering them down at the garden center that they're under their botanical name when we order them, so that's stuck in my brain. But sempervivums are hennin chicks, one and the same. And then we do have the one flat of sedums, which are zone 3 through 9. All the rest of the sempervivums are zone 3 through 8. Now I want to show you guys a close-up of each one of these varieties so you can see the detail in the color. I think you'll really like it. So this one right here is called Cotton Candy. I love the little hairy middle, and then all the little babies are on the outside. I think it's so sweet. This one's called Cosmic Candy, and this one's a little bit different of a look. Of course, there's a lot more red in it, but it's still got the hairy type of foliage, and the little babies, which are kind of more chartreuse green. This one's called Mint Marvel, and I don't know that I can say a favorite of all of these, but I really, really like the way this one looks. Plum Parfait, Sugar Shimmer, Cranberry Cocktail, Apple Teeny, Silver Suede, Bing Cherry, Key Lime Kiss, and I love the structure of this one. Cinnamon Starburst. This one's called Cherry Berry, gorgeous red color. Berry Blues. Okay, so I know I already showed you the Cranberry Cocktail, but I just had to pull one out again just to show you the intricate detail on the side with the color. Look at all the striping. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? This is called Sedum Plum Dazzled, and I know it looks pretty small right now, but they spread really, really quickly. This one gets beautiful bright pink blooms. Sedum Wildfire. And the last one is Sedum Firecracker. So like I said, all of these succulents are hardy. The sedums are zones 3 through 9, and all the semps are zone 3 through 8, which means if you live in an area where your wintertime temperatures reach down to -40, which why on earth would you want to live somewhere where it gets that cold? Either way, all these succulents, all of them, should survive. So the whole reason I wanted to do this video was because I knew that I had some fun stuff coming. I just wasn't sure exactly what varieties I was getting, so I thought it would be fun to unbox them together with you guys so you guys could see them at the same time I got to see them. So if any of you are interested in getting some of these, we will link down below to their website, Chick Charm's website, and there is a locator on there. You can just punch your zip code in and it will tell you where the nearest retailer of this type of plant is, and that way you can go check them out in person yourself. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.